You're rushing out the door and grabbing your car keys without double-checking tire pressure. It's that little moment of panic when you realize the flat tire is going to slow you down. The NOCO Air AL5 cordless inflator is exactly what fixes that. Imagine being able to give yourself a few extra minutes, a few more breaths, and a lot less stress every time you hit the road. That's what this tiny but mighty device does for you. It's small enough to fit in a glove box or center console, so you can just grab it and go. No detours, no depending on a gas station pump. One of the things that really impressed me about this cordless inflator is how quickly it works. Inflates a car tire from flat to 40 psi in under 7 minutes, and handles quick top-offs in under a minute. That means you're not stuck waiting around for what feels like an eternity. You can get back on the road in no time. But speed isn't the only advantage. The AL5 is also incredibly versatile. You can use it for bikes, sports balls, and inflatables too. Just one inflator for everything. And when you need to charge your phone or watch, this cordless inflator doubles as a power bank, recharging fully via USB-C in just 90 minutes. One of the features that really stood out to me was the smart pressure system. Set your target PSI and it stops itself. An integrated sensor monitors pressure in real time and cuts off automatically, so you never overinflate a tire or second-guess the reading. That gives you peace of mind when you're on the road. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't this just another inflator that's going to collect dust in your trunk? But the truth is, this device is designed to be used. It's built for those moments when you need air for a sports game, a road trip, or just everyday use. Seasonal pressure drop, a soft tire before a road trip, a basketball that needs air before the game. These are the moments the AL5 was built for. The interface is also super intuitive, with a backlit digital display and multiple adapters for different types of valves. It's easy to set your target PSI and track pressure across a 3 to 130 PSI range. And when you flip to manual mode, you can take direct control of the airflow. It's incredibly user-friendly. What's in the box? You get the cordless air inflator itself, along with a 10-inch inflation hose, multiple adapters, Presta-Valve, needle and inflatable toy, and a microfiber storage bag. Comes backed by a 1-year warranty and is engineered right here in the USA. That gives you confidence in the quality of this product. So what's it like to use this device? Let me tell you, it's incredibly empowering. Imagine being able to take charge of your tire pressure, knowing exactly how much air is in your tires at any given time. That's what owning a NOCO Air AL5 cordless gives you. And with its compact size and cordless design, it's always ready to go, whenever you need it. That's why I'm so excited about this product. It truly is a game changer for anyone who's ever found themselves stuck waiting around for a tire to inflate. With the NOCO Air AL5 cordless, that wait time disappears. You can get back on the road in no time, and with its versatility, power bank capabilities, and smart pressure system, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Want to see what I mean? Head over to the link below to check out the NOCO Air AL5 cordless for yourself. It's a tiny investment that could make all the difference in your daily life, and with its incredible performance, user-friendly design, and compact size, I truly believe this is an essential device you won't want to be without. That's why I'm so passionate about sharing this product with you. It genuinely changes the game for anyone who needs air on the go.